So rationalize the denominator. Today we are going to see rationalize the denominator. Okay. So here always you have to remember irrational numbers are conjugate each other. Conjugate each other. Irrational numbers are always conjugate each other. So for example, you see conjugate of 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2. Okay. So one number is 3 plus root 2 means whose conjugate is 3 minus root 2. The middle sign you have to change. So that you will get the form, that is you multiply means you see 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2. What will happen? A plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b form. That is nothing but a square minus root 2 square. Clear? So 9 minus 2. Automatically you will get rational. Clear? Rational number. Automatically you will get rational number. That's why what? Rationalize the denominator. Always the denominator you have to rationalize. Clear? By taking conjugate. By taking conjugate. Clear? So one more example also we see. Conjugate of 2 minus 5 root 2 is what? 2 plus 5 root 2. 2 plus 5 root 2. Clear? So like this, so many examples we can read. Okay. So this in 10th class also what? This concept is very important. Clear? Suppose one root will be given, one zero will be given. Okay. What is the other zero? Means other zero is conjugate of this. Clear? Understand? So like this, concept is very important. You have to always remember. Okay. So next we will see the problems. Rationalize the denominator of the following real numbers. So first one you see 2 by root 5. So root 5 denominator you see. Denominator you have to rationalize. So the same root 5 you multiply. Suppose root 5 conjugate is minus root 5. But minus root 5 by minus root minus cut means again root 5 by root 5 only. Clear? That's why what you write root 5 by root 5 simply. So if you cancel means it will be balanced. So 2 by root 5 can be written as root 5 2 by root 5 into root 5 by root 5. Clear? So now what you have to do is just to multiply the numerator into numerator. That is 2 root 5. Denominator into denominator. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Okay. Because that rules, remember or not? Root x into root x is x. Clear? That is 5. So denominator is rationalized. Denominator is rationalized. Clear? Next problem is same way how to do. This conjugate. What is the conjugate of this number? 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So 2 minus root 3 how to multiply and divide into. Then only it will be balanced. Whose conjugate you have to multiply and divide. Clear? Understand? So that is equal to 1 into this numerator into numerator multiplying. 2 minus root 3 by. This one is in the form a plus b into a minus b. So a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared. So that is equal to 2 minus root 3 by. Here how much? 4 minus. Here 2 squared is 4. But root 3 4 squared is 3. Root will be cancelled. Okay. That is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So that is equal to by 1 means what? Same thing we can write. 2 minus root 3. That is the answer. Clear? 2 minus 3, root 3. So denominator is rationalized. Denominator is rationalized because you here what 1 is rational number. Okay. Denominator rationalized. So divided by 1 means same thing we write. Okay. Now third one you come. Third one will do 5 by root 3 minus root 5. Root 3 minus root 5. Here what is conjugate here? Root 3 plus root 5. So multiply both numerator and denominator. Root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 plus root 5. Okay, that is equal to numerator and numerator. 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by here a minus b into a plus b. What is the form? A square minus b square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That formula you multiply. Okay, so what you will get? Root 3 the whole square minus root 5 the whole square. Root 3 the whole square minus root 5 the whole square. Now what you will get here? The numerator you write as it is. 5 don't multiply. Clear? Keep as it is. Denominator you simplify. Here what is happening here? Root 3 whole squared is 3. Root 5 whole squared is 5. So what you will get here? Minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Therefore, this can be written as minus 5 root 3 plus root 5 by. Okay, so minus always bring common. Clear? Plus into minus, minus. Like that you have to remember. Plus by minus means minus will get. Okay, so 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by 3. Clear? So next is second problem we'll see. Same type. Rationalize the denominator of the following real numbers. Okay. Now we see this solution. What is the conjugate of this? Plus 4 root 3 plus 3 root 5 by 4 root 3 plus 3 root 5. Correct? Now just what? 1 into this same thing. Here only denominator multiply means you are getting the form you see. Okay. 4 root 3 minus 3 root 5. 4 root 3 plus 3 5. Root 5 means a minus b into a plus b means just first term square it. Always minus. Okay. Then second term square it. That's all. That is the concept. That is equal to. So numerator write as it is. In the denominator square it properly. Okay. This is very important. You see both. That's why you have to put bracket is very important. Clear? Bracket is very important. That means squaring means both. Here 4 into root 3 there. So both you have to take square. That means 4 squared is 16 into. Okay. Root 3 squared is 3. Root 3 squared is 3. Minus. Here 3 squared is 9 into. Root 5 squared is 5. Understand? So correctly how to do squaring. That is very important. That is equal to 4 numerator write as it is. By the denominator you see 16 into 3 48. 16 into 3 48. 9 into 5 45. Therefore that is equal to 4 root 3 plus 3 root 5 by 3. So this is the answer. So here you see the denominator rationalized. Denominator is rationalized. First how it is. So this irrational number fully. Clear? So we are doing rationalized. So denominator is rationalized. Clear? That's all. That is the question. Rationalize the denominator. Means irrational number the denominator. You are rationalized the denominator. That's all. Okay. Next problem you see. Same way how to do. Second. Denominator. What is the conjugate? 2 root 2 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 minus root 3. Okay. So numerator into numerator. product. First write in the bracket. Okay. In the denominator, the form a plus b into a minus b. So a squared, that means first number make square it, minus second number root 3 make square it. That's all. Now in the numerator, what you have to do is ordinary multiplication. Clear? That is not in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Just to multiply. Clear? First to take this and to multiply. Means 4 root 6. First integer multiply, integer part. 2 into 2, 4. Then root 3 into root 2, root 6. Understand? Next, same 2 into 2 root 3 into root minus. Root 3 means minus you put first. Then 2 into 1, 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Clear? Into 3. Okay. You can write straight away also. For the time being you write. Then only you will understand. Okay. For understanding purpose, you write first like this. Then minus root 5. Minus into plus minus. Okay. 1 into 2. 2. Here root 5 into root 2. Root 10. Root 5 into root 2 is root 10. Root x into root y is root xy. So that you can multiply 5 into 2. That is root 10. Okay. Then minus into minus plus root 5 into root 3. Root 15. Divided by here both number is square. That means 4 into 2 minus here 3. Okay. So again further simplify. Root 4 root 6 minus this will be 6. Here minus 2 root 10 plus root 15 by here 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. See the numerator is any like term there? No like term. Here you cannot subtract this minus 6 minus 2. Okay, you cannot write minus 8. Clear? That is 2 is with root 10. So this fully one term. Clear? Here also what fully one term. You cannot do any simplification. Clear? Here only you can do. 8 minus 3 is 5. That's all. So 4 root 6 minus 6 minus root 2 root 10 plus root 15. Keep as it is numerator. You cannot simplify at all. Clear? Here 5 is the answer. That's all. Okay. So that our main aim is you have to what? Rationalize the denominator. So denominator is now rationalized. So, see next we will see this type of problems. Okay, sometimes they will ask in examination, simplify the expression. You have to what simplify. That's all. Here by taking what conjugate. Okay, you can simplify. Here you see first you write this problem. You write. You see the denominator, straight away you see the denominator, how the denominator is conjugate to each other. Clear? Conjugate each other. Root 5 plus 2, root 5 minus 2 is there, conjugate each other. That means again separately don't take conjugate. Okay, already denominator you have like that. Okay, that's why what you have to do is you have to take LCM. This into this, right? Taking LCM very easily you can do. This is actual method. Clear? So taking LCM. Now this you multiply here. When you multiply the denominator, what you have to do is cross multiply. This you multiply here. This you multiply here. Okay. So what will happen? The same thing here. Root 5 minus 2 into root 5 minus 2. Root 5 minus 2 the whole square. Clear? Plus here root 5 plus 2 into root 5 minus 2 plus 2, that is root 5 plus 2 the whole square. Understand? Now this is in the form of what? A minus b whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square first write. Root 5 the whole square minus 2 into clear? Root 5 into 2 minus 2ab. A is root 5, b is 2. Clear? Plus 2 the whole square. 2 the whole square. Same way here also. Root 5 the whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus 2 the whole square plus 2 the whole square. Whole divided by same a plus b to a minus b, what? A square root 5 the whole square minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square. Clear? Now you see root 5 squared is what you will get. Root 5 squared. Root 5 squared is 5 minus here 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5. Okay, plus 4. Plus 4. Understand? Now plus root 5 squared is 5. Root 5 squared is 5. Here 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 plus 4. 2 squared is 4. By this is root 5 squared is 5. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. Now you see same terms, that is minus minus 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5. Okay, one thing is minus, one thing is plus. So it will be eliminated. It will be eliminated. Okay. Now how much? 5 plus 4, 9. Plus again 5 plus 4, 9. By how much? 5 minus 4, 1. That is equal to 18. 18 by 1 is 18. This is the answer. Clear? So very simple. Okay. Just you see the denominator already got conjugate each other. So just to take LCM and easily you can do. Okay. Otherwise the same problem you can do like that also. Each time you have to take conjugate each other. Then if you simplify means same answer only you will get. Okay. But this is actual method. This is actual method. So you have to do what? Simplification. Clear? So you see the denominator. Already you have the form a plus b into a minus b. So take LCM and cross multiply. Then apply formula you will get. Easily will get. Okay. So this is the correct method. So you have to learn the simplification part. Clear? So homework part you will get okay, the end of the video. So homework you have to do for practice. Same type of problem you will get. Okay, 5 problems I will give as homework. The end of the video. Clear?